Meet Keisha.
Hi.
Keisha is the owner of Keisha's Flowers and Gifts. As a small business owner, Keisha is always looking for ways to expand and grow her business. Keisha has a successful brick-and-mortar flower shop but wants to get more business online. She has a beautifully designed website that's not getting the website traffic she expected. After some research, Keisha found the answer. Introducing the Traffic Handbook. The Traffic Handbook is an ebook that provides invaluable information in a step-by-step format that can help anyone get more visitors to their website, increase visitor engagement, improve search engine page rankings, grow their business, and more. Now Keisha has all the online business she can handle, as well as an increase in foot traffic to her brick-and-mortar flower shop. So if you want to be like Keisha and increase traffic to your website, increase website visitor engagement, improve your website SEO, click the link in the description and download your copy today.